everyone. Okay, minggu ni adalah minggu Sephora sale 20% untuk gold, black, white card holder. So why not kita buat satu video guna barang-barang daripada Sephora je. Okay, kita tak delay lagi. Jom kita start. Okay, actually Lisa dah prep Lisa punya skin dengan my skincare, tapi saya nak fresh kan my skin balik dengan this one, Pixie Hydrating Mist. So Pixie Hydrating Mist ni basically dia hydratekan your skin, bagi you moisturize your skin, lepas tu dia macam bagi fresh balik lah. So I'm just going to spray it on. Macam tu. Dia punya mist very fine, dia macam macam tu. So you just tap it in. Bau dia pun memang macam like fresh, fresh macam bau susu yang fresh. Tapi bukan like macam fresh milk yang kita minum tu. No. Korang try lah, aku pergi Sephora spray macam wanginya. Okay, new thing yang Lisa discover, cause my skin is a combination skin. Tepi-tepi ni dia macam kering sikit, normal tu kering macam tu, tengah dia a little bit oily. So macam sometimes bila Lisa pakai moisturizer Lisa, macam tengah tu macam tend to get a little bit oily sikit lah. So semalam Lisa try macam nak cari something yang mattifying, and then the salesperson tu suggest that I use my current moisturizer for my skin, tapi untuk like macam center of the skin yang you punya concern is more to oily, you can try this super matte moisturizer. This one is a Sephora brand, and then dia adalah 90% natural ingredients. So it's safe for sensitive skin, so it's good for untuk mattifykan your skin, but it still hydrates, and then dia absorb cepat. So semalam saya dah try, macam it kind of control kita punya, I punya oil juga. So just letak juga sikit, just dekat center, untuk help to control the oil, okay? Gitu. And it also can be used as a makeup primer. Too Faced Hangover Primer. So this one is a hydrating primer. So macam Lisa suka pakai this one just dekat kat luar-luar je. Okay, macam tu. Dia macam ada, dia akan macam give you like macam stickiness sikit. So you punya foundation, you punya makeup akan melekat kat situ, okay. And bau dia ada coconut water which helps for hydration. So macam bau dia fresh, bau coconut, okay. Okay, untuk center of my face, bahagian yang macam Lisa ada open pores dekat sini. So I'm going to use this Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. Okay, dia macam pekat sikit. So just ambil and press it dekat area yang kita nak kita nak macam blurkan the pores. Okay, untuk everyday use, my favorite base product is actually this one, It Cosmetic CC Cream. CC Cream, Your Skin But Better. This one dia macam like all in one. Dia ada moisturizer, dia ada serum, dia ada SPF. Okay, so Lisa akan ambil like 3/4 pounds. Okay, macam banyak tu. This product ni memang macam best sebab dia punya finish like macam natural. After a while dia blend dengan kita punya skin, you akan rasa macam you akan tak nampak like macam you are wearing like macam foundation. Dia memang make your skin better. Okay, basically kita punya base dah foundation ataupun you punya CC cream dah blend into the skin. Okay. Okay, next product Lisa akan pakai concealer. So concealer Lisa pakai this one, Tarte Shape Tip. This one Lisa pakai in code light medium sand. Okay, you kena careful sikit dengan Shape Tip ni because dia punya coverage seriously memang full coverage. Letak sikit-sikit macam tu. Kalau you macam letak sebab dia punya coverage is memang powerful and it's quite thick juga. So you kena careful. And if you tak suka macam pakai banyak-banyak, you can definitely macam dot-dot je, okay? Okay, contour hari ni saya nak pakai cream contour. Okay, one of my current go-to is Kat Von D. Okay, Kat Von D palette ni yang Lisa tahu cream, the powder product dia dah buat macam like satu, dia sold separately. But for cream, tak sure. Hari ni saya akan pakai colour, mixkan the light and the medium one. Okay, untuk dekat hidung, saya suka pakai the middle one tau. Colour medium ni. Just letak kat tulang hidung kita. Now it's time to blend. So saya blend pakai this Real Techniques contour brush. Kalau sekarang ni you rasa macam harsh, it's okay sebab I will go back with my foundation brush untuk blend all the edges supaya tak nampak terlalu harsh. Okay, so ambil balik kita punya foundation brush untuk bersihkan all the blending tu. Okay, so muka kita dah contour sikit. Macam tu, dah ada shape. Now I will move to blusher. Okay, blusher Lisa pakai hari ni, saya akan pakai cream blusher. So this one is from Stila Lip and Cheek cream product. So this one is colour petunia. Saya pakai colour petunia. Dia punya ni memang pigmented sikit. So just careful, mix sikit. Kalau you pakai cream blusher, I think you lagi senang nak control dia punya intensity. And dia tahan lama sebab kita macam like tanam dia dekat bawah powder. And it gives you a natural glow. Nampak tak tu? Okay, all the cream products Lisa dah pakai. And now Lisa nak set everything. Pakai Kat Von D loose powder. So this one is the Lock It loose powder. This one translucent, so you boleh pakai tu macam like every skin tone. And the best thing Lisa suka this one sebab dia macam dia punya finish is more natural. Maksudnya dia macam tak terlalu glowy and then dia tak terlalu matte, which I like. Okay, Lisa set sikit-sikit ya. Mula dekat tempat yang kita letak concealer tadi tu, especially dekat tempat jerawat di bawah mata ni. Walaupun kita dah set pakai powder, dia tak nampak like too matte sangat. And dia macam very fine. So I love it. Okay, eyeshadow hari ni Lisa nak pakai one of like macam best seller. I think best seller yang macam cult gila, macam everyone nak beli. Is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette. Masa dia launch, like semua orang gila nak beli benda lah ni. Sebab dia macam like ada natural colour, so orang yang suka macam like pinks pun ada colour pink, and then dia ada macam glitter shimmer. So macam this palette macam kalau you beginner untuk makeup, I think this palette is a good one sebab dia macam ada wide range of colours, and colour dia pun macam not bad, mantap juga. Senang nak blend. Okay, so first kali tadi saya ambil warna Sandalwood. I'm just going to blend it dekat crease area. Just ambil brush yang tak ada apa-apa ni. Just blend. Lepas tu Lisa nak ambil this one, another produk daripada yang you can get from Sephora is Laura Mercier Caviar Stick. I suka this one sebab dia macam creamy and senang nak blend. Okay, saya pakai colour amethyst. And just blend pakai jari. Okay, lepas tu saya nak ambil colour ni. This one colour angelic, just pakai tangan and put on top of that amethyst as a base. Amethyst tu macam ni base colour je. Okay, lepas tu saya nak deepkan outer corner tu. So saya nak ambil colour ni, colour bossy. And blend sikit ke crease. Okay, pakai brush yang kecil, ambil balik colour bossy tu. And lalu dekat, just dekat outer corner of your eyes. Make sure you always connect dekat tepi-tepi ni. Lepas tu ambil blending brush, ambil balik colour sandalwood tu untuk blend edges bawah ni. Next, saya akan pakai this one, Marc Jacob Fine Liner Ultra Skinny Gel Eye Crayon. So, dia adalah low wearing, dia adalah waterproof. Just going to tight line sikit. Lepas tu, dekat ujung ni, going to do like a baby wing je. Dia macam halus, so senang you nak buat that macam liner yang macam comel tu kan. Okay, now kita move to eyebrow. Okay, eyebrow kalau daripada Sephora, Lisa suka this one, Tarte waterproof brow mousse ni. Okay, it comes with a brush. So kalau korang beli, dia memang datang sekali dengan brush and I'm using colour medium brown. Okay, pakai sikit je macam like and remove sikit excess dia dekat belakang kita punya tangan. Okay, saya tahu dekat Sephora sekarang dah ada Anastasia Beverly Hills, tapi saya tak pernah try because macam yang ni banyak lagi babe. Just follow brow shape. So kalau orang yang jenis macam kalau pakai pensel tu dia kena macam cium-cium sikit kan, macam lambat. Then pakai brow mousse ni memang akan lajulah kerja anda. Gitu. Okay, now kita nak setkan, Lisa akan setkan Lisa punya eyebrow. Okay, this is my current fifth Benefit 24-hour brow setter sebab dia macam like dia akan macam keraskan dia punya brow and make it stay there. Macam like macam lekat terus kat situ. So bau dia memang kurang menyenangkan sikit. Bau dia macam bau cat, bau spray. Tapi it really macam menduduk diamkan you punya brow dekat situ. Especially yang ada bulu-bulu banyak-banyak macam ni, okay. And now, kita move to highlight. Okay, untuk highlight, you boleh try this Pixie by Petra. If you macam like me, tak suka highlight yang macam bling-bling sangat or terlalu shiny, you just want like macam subtle glow, nampak wet looking je, then you can definitely try the Pixie Glowy Glossomer Duo. Okay, Lisa pakai colour Delicate Q. You just mix je. Mix tu, you boleh pakai pink saja. Then just Nampak tak? Dia macam ada sheen juga, but dia punya sheen tu tak adalah macam nampak macam ada glitter ke. Dia macam like very fine. Nampak macam dewy-dewy gitu. So kalau you macam nak buat acah-acah glass skin, tapi you tak nak, so kadang-kadang glass skin dia tak pakai powder banyak. So kalau macam you jenis macam kalau you tak pakai powder, memang you punya makeup akan pergi ke utara, selatan, timur dan barat, then you boleh tambah highlight-highlight macam ni, yang manja-manja ni, supaya you nampak macam acah-acah glass skin kita. Kalau you rasa macam blusher macam tak cukup, you boleh ambil balik tau the convertible cream ni, sebab dia like macam very light. So just ambil sikit and just top up sikit je untuk tambahkan blusher yang dah tertone down sebab kita dah set tadi. Okay, nampak tak tu dah glowy-glowy walaupun kita set pakai powder semua. From the highlight tu macam like wet looking, glass skin, feeling gitu. And now kita nak pakai lipstick, and lipstick my favorite is this one, mixed with Urban Decay 1993. So this one is Bombshell, Huda Beauty in Bombshell. Okay, kalau you pakai Huda Beauty Bombshell ni, dia memang tahan lama. So bila dia fade, dia macam dia hilang tu, dia fade. Dia macam tak chalky tau. I think macam Huda Beauty ni one of yang my favourite since dia release. I memang pakai Bombshell je dengan Sugar Mama. Sugar Mama tu a little bit macam light sikit daripada Bombshell, tapi colour tone dia lebih kurang. And I suka letak this one, Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in code 1993, just dekat outer corner of my lips. Okay, kalau korang suka macam gloss, okay, boleh tambah gloss. So I suka pakai Dark Cosmetics punya Glossy Curl Gloss. So this one kalau you nak tone down kan, dipakai Basic Glare. Basic Glare ni sebenarnya colour dia macam like coklat yang macam tu tau. Tapi dia macam, dia akan blendkan the colours jadi macam delicious. Last but definitely not least, I'm going to use this Kat Von D Lock It Makeup Setting Spray. So saya baca review, dia kata this is long wearing lagi daripada Urban Decay All Nighter. So I'm going to use this. Dia ada cucumber dalam dia, ada sense bau cucumber, and the mist is very fine macam fixie dia tadi. Dia macam shoo, dia macam keluar shh. Okay, dia bukan macam dia macam macam tu. So this is the finished look, a glass skin look using all Sephora brand makeup except for mascara. Yang itu macam tak boleh nak ubah, because like that is like my current favourite. Macam tak ada, currently I tak jumpa lagi mascara from Sephora yang macam wow. Macam lagipun mascara kat Sephora mahal. Okay, anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, like, share and comment down below. So I hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.